Ni tariki 19 mweri jwa 5 ntuku 13 wake mbere ya mambura za gukungura miaka 8 ya kameme ga Kweru FM 96.4 kwa miaka 8 eu twithirite turi ruone ni twitanirite bonene gutigira okuma mundune na weja werune tugikumenyithia gukuthomithia na kinya gukenia tukikwezaga mwago jwa Kenya na Kenya gukungura umbani bo ni tukugwata ugeni Jumapili ya tariki 1 mweri jwa 6 aria terrace makutano tugwiranirwe na tumenyane imwe kwemwe kwambiria thaa 10 ciogoro twarikia kuigwa kiugo kanisene ya St Stephen Gitoro ibwega ni untu bwa gututwikithia kameme na mbemwe ruterero rwa Kirimara Weru FM 96.4 umurirwa Amiru Nandi tugukinya miaka 8 amona ante twira nkureterete ni Keba onde mwanki jotigete twana twiri twanze mwe tutete otoro Egashagwa kuorota thirikari ni kiria kwathira kuri na njama ya kumurita moyo Profesa Kindiki kuthuja witi na mbere bwa Meru Industrial Park ruirirwa riera Kundi kingi kia njuri guchumiria kuregana na utongeria bwa Linus Kathera na Josephat Murangiri. Twana twiritwa twari kamwe ka miaka 2 na kangi ka miaka 6 ni batigi batete uturo nyuma ya nyumba yao kugwata mwanki barindene kuririkana ngina watu wana toto uria uratigite abaingirite ndene araria gweta ndukene kagita kamutino jo gukarika uchunkuni ibwetete na mbere kumenya kaumu kamutino jo kakimutegi na gutwambiria na rugono rurwa Keba
Kieba gikenene ntore ya Telson wandia timao gishigo mbunge kia Buri nenu nyuma ya mutino wa mwanki urota kumenyeka kaumoka uko bethia nyomba inyanya kutono kwenu ambi na kuongera Kieba gikia na bairi kubira kumwanka gukua
mutu yura tujiro mbere kumere goro na jomba kwithia kila kitu na nyagwe twana turari ndene nyomba na twaira u notike tiromba kuokolewa inyambi
mwanki aswaki ni kia mwanki tutiramenya lakini mwanki jurakanire najua ithia nyomba na twana iturari kuna tutiromba kuokolewa inisho tutikintu kira okolewa nyomba ukinyambi
Antami kasa ntimbo kura imbi kureta ntinere eje ntimbo kura imbi retete nyaza ito tutambe nyimbi na mikasa ni jite ita ne gita na magita mingi muno na ni apenete na utiote za bubu kukirwa mwenzangu ya kwamba manto za ngari usima moto
area manenjo area ndiku miaka 30 na imbonete mikase mingi mono tukageria kusaidia na tukaremo ino mwana no arejererua ibiumia biere yake arara ukarau tuthe tukujuana sana tutai tukumenyana
iromba ria atori babakire thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru kureta nkari ya kuoria mwanki kaingo kutanganira na makarika ta mama
ngoromba thirikari yetu yumba gututetheria na sima moto kage ntukira kyumba gututetheria ria mikasa yemunereka bakaya bagatutetheria kana inya in case ria kwina emergency stage ukethirwa kwinjirira tumba gutetheka nayo turomgeromba kinya thirikari urabomba gututetheria ndikenda family nyanya na gutike ntukiromba kuokolewa inyambi nande wameanzia maisha tena upya hawana chochote hawana nini ambani
turingiromba thirikari yetu ya county ituretere simamoto na tukethiri kula na simamoto akue turingitetheka na mikase ni kumira kaingi kwa bashore batutethia na ukombeka batutethia na mpwe simamoto ya kara standby na ina ndereba
pero twera itimau lakini twera ni tirera lakini tutimai na yetere na no tukatha irio ni gutetheria na kingi tukugira kitu simamoto ino ithirwirio ni tina ruji itina ndereba angokerwa ndereba kuraja kana keja late monki watire indi akeja after 2 hours kana 3 hours keja gukole andi tukoromba mutuma Kimiru na ngeri buru rombo thithia no transmit tumba kwithira pili akui byombo tetherio matuzau muntu mafaza cyo jana bauja tingeti tia ngio kolea ta muntu aba itumba ko kolea na nyo ko maisha zantu
simamoto ya yeye aligia last year aja yejire kirindi kirikiri kila kitu na ero ayejera ikipia na iba tutimenya yetu emiru yetireu
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mburi ngiripotera Wero TV nyukambitaga ki Mutegi.
Koti ya Milimani ni athite IBC kwathura mbica gukurukira ngatheti ya thirikari uria ukatheria wakili Linda Kiome kujukia giti kia munini wa ngavana Meru taburia watho bukwendekithia na ndi kuri na wirigiro bunene bwa gukinyanira kwa Linda kunywa muma na kwambiria gutungata gitine giki kethira IBC ikathingatira mwerekera jwa koti. Boniface Mongera katumenyithia.
Nayo High Court mushine jo Meru ntukwano nithirite kithuriro giotongeire kithirikari konte Meru ejume mugambithania semgithinji kwithirwa akiere kithiriro ngiro ABC Pedro betenga bithoro kethure kilia Linda Kiome kenda omba kunyitho mumaja munini gavana mugambithania semgithinji kirogambe bwawe neresio Marijani Hussein athithia na mpone thirwa kigazeti bitha munini ABC nene konte Meru kana returning officer rokethuro kilia Linda Kiome Kirito mibiawe mugambithania githinji ariuga katiba ya Kenya etete kiriti kanyaka munino gavana kethiro gatiojoreretwe na koima etia rongirwa ABC kulega clear Linda nontu batina kiama kana commissioners Linda Kiome akorotu gavana Mutuma amwa kwethira na kibaro ikinene naja Nairobi yotara mabitha banki ya ABC rodingo rongero nero ali mbere we kwethira gutari na returning officer nene konte Meru ekomokiliam akothire kibarua iki Linda netire kotini kuthitanga ABC okurukira sio Marijani Hussein ohoregete ko gazeti returning officer ojo ontobore uga mukarite onkema ABC kana commissioners iwobe na kadhari bakuthithio ntobobo naona sio Marijani Hussein agazeti returning officer ko clear Linda bunge account Meru batire kuthregeta na mbere nekethire mukurukithia Linda arrangement ko mugwanja batire kuthire nyitho muma na kamunino gavana ende itha naku Marijani akethiro erega wathubu kwethira bugitikiria bunge account Meru kwethira bakende na ukurukithia Linda na kunyitho muma bakenderea kamagamba na nyumene ngiripotera Ntoshoro TV kumaja kingina ngine nekine kimushoni Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.
Gavana wa Isiolo Abdi Guyo ni akinyete mbere ya kamiti ya Seneti gucokia biuria gukonia mantu kathumba zario wandikani bwatwanya twa advisor 36 giuta tena mitaratara ya wandikani agicokia Guyo ugite kaunti wiri na advisor banake akiuga ati kumenya inangu tochia kuga Isiolo iri na advisor bange kuma Guyo nkuruki nethiritwe akirea baini ya siringi nusu milioni iria aringirwe au kabere ni ontu bwa kurega gwitika kamiti eje Anthony Kathenya no karige karone kiu.
Abdi Ibrahim Hassan do solemnly swear.
Governor wa kaunti ya Isiolo Abdi Guyo muthenya omri nethire thinani nene ali mbele ya kamiti ya bunge ya Senate ya kuthiatira utumiri bwa kigina kulingana na Auditor General thirikari ya kaunti ya Isiolo itongeretwe ni Governor Guyo yandikite athikirira 36 giutatira watho na athikirira baba bethiritwe bakila wa misara ontubulo nabu bwegi utatina watho.
Review of the payroll and human resource records revealed that the county executive has in position 36 advisors on multiple aspects of county management, contrary to the guideline of the Salary and Remuneration Commission circular dated 29 July 2013.
A county with 10 MCAs and 36 advisors and 31 chief officers, that is madness. You can't tell us that that is justified and that you're going to do it because your staff establishment says so. That is completely out of order, completely unacceptable, Governor.
Law is not followed. Procedures are not followed.
Governor,
can you protect me? I have a right to say what Governor, I want to say.
Aidha kulingana na Governor Guyo thirikari aina thikirira bana na ndiko bange bende ya bodi orutingo gibwa mwingi ya county. Governor Guyo aidha na lemekuwa tamaritwa mathikirira baba bana.
Management confirms having engaged total of 4 advisors in various portfolio as per below table appendix 2. Chair, if you listen what I said, we will bring
evidence showing that those officers are working under County Public Service Board. They were never. No, it doesn't matter who's employed. They were never recruited as advisors. We just have 4 advisors, Chair. So
and I would ask the governor to tell us who are the 4 advisors that he has in the county. Based on that, I will provide my evidence whether you have 36 advisors or not. Because if that doesn't happen here, then the governor is lying to this committee.
That's economic advisor. And we have another Abdi Adan Godana as advisor of intergovernmental affairs.
You have 4 advisors. That's your position. And these advisors advise you. They don't advise anybody else. They advise you. So there are people that must be very close to you. You must know their names, probably even their homes. These are people that advise you.
That I agree with the auditors as Senator for Isiolo County, oversighting Isiolo County. The governor is lying on oath. Whatever position the committee is taking, that is my position.
Tobu bwake kulingana na Auditor General thirikari ya Guyo yandikite mabisa barene kana chief officers 31 giutati na watho bula bwendekithite chief officers bethiro bali 14 Guyo akitatagire tagalilili.
So just a minute, Governor. What does your staff?
The law does not specify the number of chief officers to be appointed, Chair, as per the county government tax.
Yes. Yeah. It is driven by your staff establishment, isn't it?
And we've changed our staff establishment to allow that 1 chief officer.
They do not have the luxury of bad manners in Isiolo because you're the governor. This is a constitution that guides your operations. And the constitution requires us as a Senate to confirm that the money we send to you is being used, 1, lawfully, and 2, effectively. If the initial query is that you are not following the staff establishment, you have more than enough. Is it really your position that the Auditor General was telling you now go and increase the number in the staff establishment?
Amono ugo kagita gaka Governor Guyo ni amenelitu ni masinita nontuba kwijambela kamiti ino tebangite ino kejaga nyume ya Guyo kule angili 500 ila ale molingeta baini ni kamiti ino kuma muji muneno Nairobi. Mbita Anthony Rangi wa Kadenya.
Uria wari munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua norotete thirikari ni kiria akwathira kuri na njama ya kumurita moyo. Gachagua athira nkurukia mabisa igana ni batumitwe ni thirikari kumukabira ntere cia Gatanga kiuga ikurari na njama ya kumugerera thumu ya chemical iria iringi muraga kaora ndene ya mieri 3. Gachagua nonekete kinya gukirithana na thirikari nyuma ya miario yawe ate ukagia andu nyuma ya ithurano bia 2027 kethira ithurano bitetithwa na mbere neyota ninthuranirite riboti ije. Uria wari munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua akiaria na andiki bante tontuku ya Narua ni atumirite ati ntuku ego rwagita kiuthurano kia Maromba kanisene mwe gisigone kia Gatanga kaunti ya Murang'a ni aria agwatire riboti ati Rais William Ruto ni athanite athiranwe no eburu.
Yesterday, Sunday, the 18th May 2025, I received intelligence reports that President William Ruto had ordered that I be dealt with once and for all. And since the goons sponsored by the state on several occasions had failed, police and other state security agencies had to come in. At about 11 a.m., same Sunday, 18th May 2025, this information was communicated to the Inspector General of Police, the Director General of the National Intelligence Service, and the Director of Criminal Investigations by the CS Interior Kipchumba Murkomen, and consequently, a killer squad composed of 101 lethal and dreaded officers from the Administration Police and seconded to the National Intelligence Service, accompanied by officers from the DCI, the Anti-Terrorism Police Unit, the General Service Unit, and the regular police were deployed.
Nkurukini akwathira ati abitha bani boba gutumirwa kinya gwetithia na mbere uteki Kenya na egoro bara ikunekanite buru batikamenyeke.
This killer squad have been carrying out extrajudicial killings and abductions. Yesterday, they were mobilized and cordoned off and blocked all exits from Gatanga constituency. This squad was armed to the teeth and hooded and with masks to conceal their identity because of the heinous acts they wanted to commit on us. This is despite that there are existing guidelines from the High Court that officers should be in uniform and not conceal their identity.
Kurukina umborete kurina abitha bareba kumugwata mbaru ni bubara muithurire mubango jorabanga netwe kenda wena bangi bekirwa mpene.
At about 2:30 p.m., we received further intelligence from the deployed patriotic officers who are not in agreement with the information that they had clear instructions to plant arms and weapons in our convoy to provide evidence to arrest us and get evidence that they could charge us with in court.
Netete na mbere gutariria bura mubango jojo rari gutumirwa kumutwikithia kinya kionje.
After about 30 minutes, the killer squad was joined by their counterparts who are highly trained in the use of biological weapons. Their instructions were to poison me through inhaled chemicals that would paralyze my brain within 3 months. This was the intent and the purpose of the whole operation. My team and I sought alternative routes as guided by the deployed security personnel, majority of whom are our supporters and opposed to what is going on.
Gachagua nongerete ati Rais Ruto ni arekerete watho bwa abitha kiumbe bareba kumwa ukaria gwitwa mwana we kwethirwa ati kwenda akenya baririkanwa ikarikare onyomo ntere cha kiamba.
We have credible information that President Ruto has directed that my private security personnel be disarmed and be targeted for withdrawal of their licenses so that they can leave me vulnerable to allow room for goons to attack and possibly eliminate me. President William Ruto has expressed ungovernable anger that the state-sponsored goons are being overpowered by my private security personnel who are licensed gun holders. President Ruto is furious that the people of Kenya have not forgotten about the Kiambaa church massacre, where children and women were tortured in the 2007 and /8 post-election violence, and is unhappy that I keep on reminding the people of Kenya of the heinous act.
Ni arekirete moroto jwa wetu gutigira Rais Ruto akatha na mukondo jumwake no jugeta na mbere.
Let me assure the planners of this violence that you will not stop the cause of the people of Kenya. The one-term movement and the DCP party popularity will not be stopped and will not be slowed down. The cause to liberate Kenya is not about Rigathi Gachagua. All the leaders with me. Wasting time and resources to stop me is a zero-sum game.
Maureen Kinya, Wero TV. Atongeria bandini kumantere chiambwa ni bataririte kurega kunganirwa ni miario ya Gachagua aria ugire kethira kura ikaiwa kirithurano bya 2027 ndoa ire kaumira neo nene nkurukia ire ya umire mwakene jwa 2007 athinjiri baba ugite miarije ni akunjira ndoa na temega kinyanini amona bu akiare na ndikibante tonarwa Gachagua ni ainyerete ate miario yawe ke kujukirwa buthu kune anthubawe.
Haya maneno ni maneno ya kushtua sana na ni maneno ambayo kwamba yanaibua taharuki katika nchi yetu na ukosefu wa amani, na ni aibu kubwa sana maneno kama haya kutoka kwa mtu ambaye kwamba ashawahi kuwa kiongozi katika nchi hii ya Kenya. Tumesikitika sana kama viongozi wa kidini na tunakemea na tunalaani maneno kama hayo. Bwana Rigathi Gachagua awe ni mwenye kujitokeza tena mara ya pili, awe ni mwenye kuomba wa Kenya msamaha. La sivyo tunaomba serikali ichukue hatua, serikali imchunguze mtu kama huyu, ana agenda ipi fiche nyuma ya maneno kama haya.
Kauli kama hizi ni dhihirisho la kukataa matokeo ya uchaguzi yatakayotolewa kinyume na matakwa yao.
Call upon the police, DCI and all security institutions to investigate and take firm action against anyone who makes statements that threaten the peace of our nation. No one is above the law, and no political reason justifies the spilling of Kenyan blood.
Because Kenya is bigger than you. Wewe kama mwana Kenya ujirudie, uone ile makosa umetamka, umekemewa na kila mmoja, uombe msamaha.
Lakini matamshi yake yametutia dhiki na wasiwasi sana. Matamshi aliyoyazungumza Gachagua si ya kufurahisha Mkenya.
People are not interpreting what I said correctly. Mine is a cautionary statement. And history is very important. During the finance bill of 2024, I did caution President William Ruto and the cabinet that it will bring problems because I listened to the people of Kenya. When a member of parliament from Rift Valley says that even if the votes are not enough, they will know how to manufacture them. When another leader from Rift Valley say they can rule for 24 years. These are the things that have put the people of Kenya on notice, and people are speaking. And as a responsible leader, I must caution IBC that the people of Kenya are saying, please don't try. And we are saying we must draw parallels from history. And all I was saying is that that has happened before in 2007, and it is possible it can happen now. And I was asking IBC to be patriotic enough to make sure they don't put the country into a crisis. That is all I did. I did not ask anybody to cause violence. I did not say people will fight each other. I just said, let's be careful. This has happened before, and it was bad. And from the way people are speaking, it could be worse. That is all I said.
Hita nambere kuthingatira nteto chetu nchokere tunyumya gita kati kuraja nkuretere nteto tariria.
Ambia Doreen, kwa unasikia kufanya kazi gani? Na mwami nasikia kama naweza kuwa muimbaji. Ambia before mbele ya wina come in the church I pray for you. Ngina mwani sawa nitakuja fellowship. Then ambia
ndiri gotare kanisa kana yuni kanisa yeku.
Niyo kanisa yakwa ni PCA. But nitwisene na Bishop Murioki na nendisayaga muno bolia mainaga. So hata nikiomba Mungu anipe kazi, nilikuwa nataka anipe kazi ya kuina. Ule ambirire oka kanithani. I pray for you first. Na athie kanithani andombera. After that it was December 2021. January after ruma boya, January nambirie kulota. Nathie kwa mama kero Doreen, saidia wasionjiweza. I thought it was just a dream. We said dream daima tutesietekaga serious.
Kimaunto mato kuotha for accountability. Nunto into gutumira te cietu na still no atukwenda cienge nunto tariwe gwa netegwa makena no ethera na tumaka post either last time ukagwa bururu hiyo siku nyingine ndo tutumia kitu nunto ni gikundi gya kubwana utethio teka tu we don't have donors ni niyo negwa na muntu ungi uri anke bururu we don't have donors na ngitumi tu postaga for accountability na challenge cienge no ethagira watogu na gwa no ethagira tariu mukwethera muntu we na thina ta ciana ciumite cukuru takunge twathiete lakini cokagia ngai kwatha kwina guntu guchipagwa in na tari kwina mwana upendete bantu wana mwenwa mitheru mwana onu twathire twathibirwo tethio twabirire izatoto hopan
angojwa nkatha cietu ureterine yetu sako nieza na gotungata kiria biashara gukurukira gukiria biashara uguraniri bwa miunda na ngare na kinya uthurania bwa mbesha nja gwaku na kiria biashara yetu sako, your success our pride.
Tevo kuna moyo wetoro siuria monkato sione ioma uteo siarie nabyo nabuonka we nabyo arare thina ioma nenda kuatiri obuonko kiroka witakurio te asia ioma tore kuibonka ina monka tukomo gwitite ne bumpone ioma tore kuria na tempethe kiambine kameme ne bumbibwe ioma wokuria rankiria na nkanyo menye iwimbo rwengo ene ioma ukothia mtu wina ngari akimiura impempe akasia.
One day you will eat, walk and talk like royalty. I need you to wake up.
Uko aware this is not a game?
Make it happen.
We need to shut this business down.
Hii biashara ndo kila kitu kwenye hii familia. Nikufe ama nisikufe.
Kama mbaya.
An eye for an eye.
What is your family involved in? To go close to take control over the hearts of empire. Winning no mazana.
Munini wa Rais Profesa Kithure Kindiki ni akinyite ntere chero irirwa rera kuthuja witi na mbere bwa murandi jwa Meru Industrial Park turatwetithitwe na mbere ntere iu. Riri nirio riaja thatu Kindiki gukinya Meru ndene ya biumia bithatu aria Juma Nthiru ari Meru kiri mubango jwa kutheremia thoko ya Gakoromone. Meru Industrial Park ni mubango jombithitwe ni thirikari nene bari na ngwataniro na thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru. Muthuru Muriuki enacho.
Nini wamutongirio mugongo no Profesa Kithure Kindiki amana gavana wa Meru, senator wa Meru Kadhuri Murungi, amana speaker wa Meru Yubundi, amana MCA ibakinyite nterechero irora rera nikenda gutegera uria njukuri gwakwa amana Iwanda njukuri gatumika wika imera nikenda biomba kuthithira uguni
vitu ambao wananchi wanazalisha zinawekwa pamoja, zinatafutiwa bei nzuri, zinawekwa vizuri vile inaweza uzwa hata nchi za nje. Tuwache kuuza bidhaa zetu kwa bei ya jumla, bei ya chini, bei ya kuuzia mabroka. Kwa hivyo tunajenga kama part of the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto 47 County Aggregation and Industrial Park.
Ngana munini omutongire mugongo augete county ya Meru ni mwaka 2013 imbere kigwa kan Nchukuiji na wendibo imbere mwaka jojo Nchukuiji chedo ikiojura.
13 that are in the first phase. Meru is one of them, Embu, Kirinyaga, Migori, there is one in Wajir, and Kisii, and Busia. Those 13 must be complete and operational by the end of this year. Hizo kaunti zingine ziko nyuma, wako na uvivu kidogo, tutazifanya next year. So last week kuna pesa ilikuwa imekwama hapa kidogo. Last week ni tumesukuma kama serikali, tumetoa for this county an additional 76 million. Next week, in the next 1 or 2 weeks, the final payment of 76 million ya kukamilisha hii mjengo. Mimi naenda kusukuma ya Meru itoke ikiwa yako.
Speaker wa Meru Yubundi auga gukombekana Roger Watambua Nteriji animba bengi betha bakigunika mono ontora bugatire mbaru ni senator wa Meru Kadhuri Murungi
ndira twete kumbia roire eriera mbere kinyaroire market Roger rutura wanaria runde rukauma rungwa ro atwaro rukauma rungwa rute konini machine ya kuro pump kenda rweta myundene yanto konkurombe His Excellency Kurombe tukomba gutumirwa mtu wa kutega wala Roger rumba kweja saindi eje na rukenda masaindi etigania no ntoko ni dikoringo machine then yantu abe to batethekete munene na bombe utumia facility bwega
ende gento kemo bambe diribo kwenda irojo rakongana si ndio anto baba bakona roje kwe roje mbona rukwe munda mbona abajo kiona nwa TV na aja eri ntumburi kethera ore mibonde bomba kuona roje ja munda jonge mbona gantumburi aja anto beto pedro be no tonga bonene sana kwao kenda anto baba re mazaindi irazima miunda yonde ekaraja munda jura tone wa TV ne orajo ina into bibinge
amna bubu agwakira gwethe tukagita gaka nikona ngwatano nene irio katikati katongire ba Meru akiwa bubu ne ubenda kwethwa kwena thiri
mambo ya vita na nini wakati wa campaign tutanyoroshana siku hiyo. So wanagavana hata wale hawakuwa na kuunga mkono enda uwatafute uwalete pamoja kwa sababu wewe ndio uko na nafasi. Tuko na senator wetu. We have our beloved Senator Kadhuri Murungi. He is a very mature leader. Right now they are in very good working relationship with the governor, with the members of parliament, with the MCAs. We want all the leaders of Meru to work together for the people of Meru County.
Kadhuri Murungi randa isenere senator narada ndatu atu na ngavana omwega itona ngavana ore ogaitangu ya Meru bwe ibogona go gito bwega thai ibogweretwe kwa ujaza akarikira ibwega itokora Murungu ibwega.
Sisi kama Meru na pia kama Wakenya tunasema hii kazi imepata mwenyewe. Si mtu amepata kazi, ni kazi imepata mtu. Ni hata kuona ngoe deputy president te agera thirire Kenya. Etera onere mwene ibu kuona Meru no to ciare nchamba babwe. Nchamba ete ko bwa rais 2032. Asante.
Muthuri Muriuki, Woro TV Mutirinjo Kangangi.
Gikundi kingi gia kurubanjuri nteke negitirimene garune nene ntere chianchiro aria bamukirite gikundi kigembe kiria kirachieberie kiri utongeria bwa Linus Kathera na Josephat Murangiri. Gikundi giki kiria gitongeretwe ni Adriano Aruyaro nikimeneretie bonene miario ya Rigathi Gachagua ire bakuga ni akunjira andu anyuma ya ithurano bia 2027 bakiwa miarete ikarega kumenyerwa yareta andu enene Kenya ni bachokete bauga bobare nyuma ya ngavana Mutuma kiri siasa cia Meru bakimuromba gutiga kuthikira bare bakumwairia ati gikundi giki ni achore bamwangaza. Dennis Mugendi na Nteto Tariria.
Tene karaja liria Amiru betha bari na magamba ajanchiru niku kwari gikaro gikinene gia kureta magamba jaja na ikyo nuntu Mumiru augire sokera kwin turutimi ya sokere nchiru turutimi nayo yari nduki yari na magamba nayo kinyanchiru ya sokera oho nandi akurukuma kona sionde ni basemanitie batongeretwe ni mukarigite Andiriano Alujaru kwa mukira baigembe batongeretwe ni Ramu Kathata bare barasie baniri na utongerie bo mukarigite Linus Kathera na mwandiki munene Josephat Murangiri.
Twete ruare kuonania njuri ni watanirite kuma ntonyere mwanka thuci na ibi tumaona kamwararia wona ramwaria kuma igembe rionthe riria
batu twendete Kathera muno ibabetu nontu mulubeta na tutendete Kathera ana na Kirumi lakini nontu natumirwa atunguri rwanjuri gaura Kathera makosa ya bwithiti makosa ya matuna uthereke
ambira ntuba igembe ipoega mbrono ntuba wona kuna sababu ya njuri kugwatana tu egintu kimwe inatumba gwitija miro yetu poega
itokankwira Kathera babare utorwa mirikele no rwira antu ethingia turakunengerete ukarwa miritinio ana ukura betu yonto turi nchero bwichie nyama cia njori nare embe no thia koro batigundaga yo Kathera na nywire na rure nyumba njori lare bai no bici bai na ntoachieta na muntu wetwa Maruma njori kwetu ni ethirire kina mwekoro aokira kiathira ita auri ni ana no mwambira itwite ambawa kankuboromba itwembe bukare kanjori yetatia ethirwa ni antu bakwenda iu
ndirwa woni ndende ndando kobia lubeta Kathera nwana akaberira kalubeta Murangeri nwana akaberira kalubeta ate jo kalenge kinya karinga bui ako lekorie ako na meretina bwanta ine chunge nduke ithato iria nende nonto itwakorera wari uterairo ana kwaro dia kendo kecho mukorore ya nyama kinya woke aya nyana baku uri kuo
na tuweka nyuma mretia tukinyethie nonto kinawe no kathanitwe utionene butura
Njuri murengo jwa Arujaru uyerikanaga ni ya ngavana Kawira Mwangaza bariuga ute ukwari kana kuri bureburioni ati withire bwa Njuri ni kwigana thirikari riri wathanine na Nandi bari na ngavana Mutuma ntwithinkia na Rais Ruto
Njuri ere airuare kuonania kinya itere twatirimana bado tutatirimana no ntobo muntu kwanto baraba uanjori era ya trimana nchero ne akawira Mwangaza pana mwekuro atenjori bado atokara thirikari rero na itokari kinya thirikari ntwa thingia irere kirwe nonge yaro yoto mukarie itokaria thirikari ya president wetu Daktari William Samoei Ruto na mwana wetu Kindiki tunyuma yo
ninkwenda kunengana message tekenga bana andu abainge bauanjuri yaro nega wira Mwangaza no ntubwa leadership wira ari kwete kwenda njuri yero ngamiri na yaro kinyela ngabana katu njuri ritanaria na ngwe na thirikari erikuo thenga mwento fendi rega wira Mwangaza ari ngabana njuri yonde yari yawo no ntu no ri tene ndagereko lakini thai no ntu twege Mutuma no ngabana tu katwire Mutuma akenda kuthigiria siasa ile ciina ome no ntu bantu abena runitho bate kwenda arume bange bakinya kwinwe na twenda nya batwe kwira Mutuma karibu ndene nchiro njuri ire tharimi murungu mwegere mungi tere inanche tutitegeria mwana tu eyagani nege ayagirwa munge ni antu bena gerumi
Kawira Mwangaza ari ngabana na nanere kabanda kwerwe reverend wetu mutuma ntwethingi ngabana oto Meru amenya ndorie enyuma yeke nembo supported eyana kwena tigo loi ko wata mundu ta wikia muromo yo abako ngabana akiwa ndorie ne Kawira ndorie ne mtu fulani njori ne ngabana ora karete gete kanya ne kautu loi
aja ni beri te munini wa rais uria engiro Rigathi Gachagua na twire mathigi kanywa kawe migambo iria kwaritie agirite.
Gachagua ambaye alikuwa naibu wa rais ameongea mambo mengi, lakini incitement aache. Tunamwambia hivyo kama wasee, ndivyo tunasema hivyo. Ndio. Aache incitement ya watu wetu. Yale mambo alifanyika mwaka wa 1708 mwanzo, watu wetu walikufa wengi, na hatutaki incitement, hatutaki incitement. Kura itafika 2027 ipigwe, yule atakuwa rais awe rais, na huyo tutakuwa nyuma yake, kama vile tuko nyuma ya Rais William Samoei Ruto na naibu wake Kithure Kindiki profesa. Hivyo ndivyo tutafanya hata huo mwaka. Kwa hivyo wakati huu tunaomba amani iwe Kenya, iwe Meru, na sisi kama wasee wa Njori Ncheke, hakuna yule ambaye tutaangalia na macho akiwa anaharibu amani ya Meru ama ya Kenya. Tutamwambia on the face, wewe unafanya makosa. Kwa hivyo Gachagua akome, aendelee na siasa zake na afanye siasa mzuri, sio siasa za kupiganisha watu amba kugawanya watu na mirengo fulani ama na community fulani.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, Garune Akrubanjuri Ncheke Nchiru, Tigania West, County ya Meru.
MC wa municipality Caleb Mutethia na oritie uria wari ngavana Kawira Mwangaza kwamba gutigana na mibango ya okolea gukethirwa nirio igatuma Meru yone thiri. Achokete arita maoni jawe gukonia Gachagua kuruguria kiama kia DCP akiuga ni akwenda gutarirwa uria kiama giki kigatwika kiotethio kiri Mukenya na nthi. Augite we guti kiama agaitonyithania nakio mwanka ambe one na metho uguni na kinya moroto jwa kiama kiria muringi kura akethirwa agitumira. Arite kagita kanjonga yawe kiri sibitari nini akambakia aria kinyete kuthuja wa Kibwayo. Mutugikare na nteto ichi.
Kwa idaraja irinandi ura waringa bana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza kurigirwa ni abisa ababorisi kuthithia kiuthurano kiawe kiokorea. Aria mbere arigirirwe mirige negoji nego rwethira kirigirwa nterecha kiguchwa na nde akiaria MC wa municipality Caleb Mutethia na ugite ukeja gutwika okora eje ni kareta mpatho na andu akiria kari na rombete Kawira Mwangaza kwamba kurungika mubango jomo nkago kirerie
uni nte kwandikwa rira manto jokolea lakini wampumbi kuga ki manto jokolea athijo jaleta division ki Mumiru thai araturi ijo jaleta ndwa ikabenya former governor Kawira Mwangaza agetikiria kambo mirungika for the time being mwanka kuido gutina a lot of tension, political tension ira umbi ku creatiwa ingathering ira ikudo achio
Kingi MC ojo norotete kiama ekero kia ura wa RDP Rigathi Gachagua akiuga kiama geke thithitwe nyuma ya uthubu wawe kuonekana gatigati kawe na Rais William Ruto na akiuga ojo no ukinya kiama kia UDA Rais Ruto ajire nakyo nyuma yawe na Uhuru Kenyatta kugia uthu na kwa nandi MC ojo noretia kariba Meru mbere mane bamenye nembi bakagunikana yo mbere batonya kiamene kyo kia DCP na wakiuga wagakara kiamene kia UDA munkone matunda ya kiama keu
na uniro nduga unite kiama ngatonya mbere ntionete matunda ja kira turafomete kia UDA walipugekyo nuntu tombi kuja kuda that way as a people to form biama kibia go propel interest a politician to tethura twina kiama go propel the interest of the people ko oni mwankatha inde mto UDA na ntekaruka kuma UDA mwankambone kama ndageria ku benefit di anto bakwa ba municipality bare go benefit begi kiama kira kia UDA lakini utombi kujombera nande orukire mbukire mpambira ndi kugia kiama kia DCP na bila turauga ibe tukwenda thithiria mwananchi tutara na twambiri kuga na twambio chwa nyombe ngi 2027 na hiyo ngwa no twitwingo twakite
ni migambo ire MCO aritie kagitene karauta kagawiti na mbere bo cibitari akamba kya dispensary irere akwekurikia gwakwa akiuga bakamerugura kagita gatikuraja kenda bakethira bakireto tungata kwina mukari na nkuru kia MCO akiuga kiredionga ya DP kithure kindike kiumia kithiruni ari na kiguni mono kire gicigo mbunge kya Northimenti mono akiuga na shomeire na kubiria kariba mono etithia bikibiki kigina gya chiringi milioni jere kya gutetheria murandi jojo wakamatangi ja maguta ja beterori.
Within the course of time tukatwirugura cibitari iji maybe by June, mid-June tukatwirugura cibitari iji na kethwa in beneficial mono gintu reno to this the only community itirari na health facility a municipality akikindi unga ya deputy president that to a promise ya 2 million and akacheto cha bonda bonda. In fact atu kwandi kubangania ura tukathithia kenda tugiranya mwirere so that we can finish up project ira twinacho twinemo petrol station itukondo the insurance company a bonda bonda cha municipality chionde
ke report rate to shawero rakwa rieto ne mutuge kare.
Anthony Mauki muthaka wa miaka 30 kuma Nkondi uria waitonyithirie kiri urimi nyuma ya gukarakagita gaka nene atina ngugi na andikithitie umbani bonene kiri urimi bwa ngurwe matanka machunkwa na kinyamaembe na rwantu murume uju uria umbite kuthithia mamilioni jambeta ni arombete mbeu mbithi gutiga gwetera ngugi cio BCA baitonye kiri urimi na biashara. Paul Kabethe niwe uri na rugonoru.
Thaka gokorwo gatigati kuma wadini ya Nkondi akimenyekana ta Anthony Mauki ora hamwe na gwicuria gaicuru na kurutha digiri ya animal science na agirie ngugi buru ya QBC indi arebunga na urimi.
Ndanjirie urimi kuma nkurikia kuthoma indakarie mianka mingi muno ntona wira no ndarealize no ambombe kurima na nkona mbia ndanjirie kwanda miti mikai ndanjirie kwanda apple ndanda membe ta 20 wogo ndathinkio ngagira na yo kinye gitara kwendi ndonire membe mena mbia nontu ona yembere muito aguragirwa chiringi 10 ya ria mawite mono chiringi 9 lakini with time membe maiye kuona mbia na ndongera mite yakwa nontu baino ndena mite mingi na inkono
ikithomo kirahamwe na kwagia ngui ya QBC nombite gugitumira kirurimi bwake
kinya pest na mirimo ra ithagirwa eriku tende na ndethia ciakwa ndi na mburi ndi na nguku na ndi na ngurwe ko kithomo kia ndathomire university kia kutiriti nyamu yentethagiria mono urimi bwakwa nontu ndethia ciakwa ciayo ta ciongurwe kana nguku mbomba uchitiriti ndi ningwa bantu au wita daktari kuma njaya gunchobera ndethia ciakwa na kuma unga ngaomba ukat cost.
Hii biashara rayombite kumukiria kiri muturira wake
thire mono ndomba kwigurira ngari nontu ndaye ko thoko yakwa yana yaye gupanuka ndaomba kwendia membe nthiguru cia nja na indonire mbia ndaura ngari na ingurangite tumenda twingi na nintethetie kinya kuwa ndina tu asset twakwa tu ploti na kuthomithia kinya na bakwa nontu nombuma na mbeca ciakwa wao.
Mbitwa ya Anthony mono kirimbe ombithi
Winkwa advise youth baba ingi mtu athoma na tie kulila mono na wira cia tuge thirikari ona wona wira cia thirikari tikaire nthuku lakini wao amugo karima na ukona mbeca nontu ona urimi thino me utiere mtu akauga atikarata kure kwache kubwirira na membire mothoko ni kareka nta mantu mayo bei kawa lakini utiro bei ya membe kawo twika murimi atikuona mbia nontu cost ya kurima yembe rimwe ithayurere ndi mono tikompeana irio bibinge bya munda.
Kiripotera Weru TV kumantere Tharaka wadini ya Nkondi Bito Paul Ogwakabithe
Gatho cha mwanyi kugwatanira na bautwe kiri nteto chietu cheru tha ithatu tuchemani rojo kiri nteto cheru themwe na kinya cha tha ithatu. Bita Maureen Kinya mwonanie to mathithio ni Maureen Kirimi. Good night.